Hi, I'm Joseph Hoffman, and today we'll be working on the B section of Minuet in A major K83 by Scarlatti. Let's come to the piano to get started. Now, before I play through anything for you, I strongly encourage you to take some time to practice and try learning this on your own. Pause if you'd like some time to work through the right hand alone or left hand alone, and then press play when you're ready to check it out with me. So here at the start of the B section, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Notice we have a very similar pattern to what we had at the start of the A section, but now it's like Domenico Scarlatti has started us in the key of E. Notice we've got these D sharps like here in measure 21. So we've transposed or modulated into the key of E here to start our B section. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Piano. Pause if you'd like a little bit of time to work on that. Otherwise, let's keep going. And again, notice all these accidentals. Be very careful about them. We have 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're going through some weird keys here. This is kind of like going into A minor, and then it's kind of like G minor a little bit here. And then what key are we in here? We're shifting back to major. Okay, so Scarlatti's taking us on a little harmonic journey through different keys here, which is very common in the B section of a piece. I love how mysterious it sounds. Then build it, build it, build it. Okay, I'm going to play through the entire B section at a practice tempo. I want you to pay attention to the dynamics, the articulations, all the fingerings. Those details will really help this piece come together for you. Here's a practice tempo B section. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Building, building, building. And then the B section repeats. So remember to practice in short sections. I would choose 2 measures or 4 measures at a time and just repeat that until you feel really confident. Try right hand alone, then left hand alone, then hands together, and then go 1 short section at a time. Then gradually bring all those sections together. Use the metronome. Focus on the places that are most challenging first. Repeat lots of times, and then pull it together with the other sections you've already learned until you can play the whole thing confidently and with great, exciting Spanish flair. Great job today working on the B section of Minuet in A major K83 by Domenico Scarlatti. Thanks, as always, for watching and learning with me, and happy practicing.